I got this turn signal indicator from Amazon to install it on my bike. Let me unbox it and see what's inside and show you how to install it. So this is a light, this is a remote control, and these are like the straps that you put to your bike so that to hold the light. And this is a USB, micro USB charging cable. So let me remove everything. The remote control here, it has a bracket. You can simply remove the bracket if you want to change its battery. You have here a screw that you should remove to change the battery. And in order to put it back, you put it back in the bracket. It's very good that it has a bracket so that you can remove it and so nobody can steal it if you leave your bike. So this is here the strap that you put on your bike's handle, and you put the remote control like this. And the remote control should be paired with the light. So to pair it with the light, you see here, this is the on-off button of the light. Of course, make sure first that the light is charged. This is here the charging port. So let me put it in USB, micro USB cable here to charge it. It says it takes 2 hours to fully charge. And when it is charging, it is red like this. So when it is fully charged, it will be green. So let me turn it on first. Just press once here, it will turn on. If you keep on pressing, it will cycle through here like the red shifting lights. So let me leave it on. And to pair it with the remote control, you have to press the power on button and keep it pressed for 3 seconds. So 1, 2, 3. And after 3 seconds, press any key on the remote control. So this way it will pair. You have to do only once this when you get it. So here are the indicators. If I change them, you see? And if you want to stop the indicator, just press here, for instance, return to the red shifting light like this. If you cycle through it also, it will turn it off. And this is a brake light here. So if you press it here shortly, the brake light lights for 2 seconds. So this is a very powerful light. I also wanted to mention so that if you turn on the indicator and you don't touch the remote control, it will turn off by itself, I think in approximately 10 seconds. You see, it turned off by itself. So one last thing is to put this light on your bike. You just put it here also in the cradle. It is like this. There is a lever here. Let me turn it off. So there's a lever here. Just pull on the lever and slide it in like this. It should slide in easily. So it is a little bit hard, the lever, so just make sure to pull it hard. And then you put this like this on the neck of the seat and you put it. And this way also, if you want to charge it, or just if you leave your bike unattended, you can remove it like this so that nobody steals it. So I really like this light, and I think it is an important security feature, especially with the integrated turn signal indicators. I want to thank you all for watching my video, and I hope that this video was useful for you. Until next time.